Do you see all that cheese in these tacos? That's what I'm talking about. Today I made tacos de papa with Hatch Green Chile and cheese, and these tacos did not disappoint. They are so good. You can definitely taste all that Hatch Green Chile. And of course, that cheese is a must. Super delicious. Let me show you how I made these. To begin with, in my pan, I'm going to add enough water. I'm also going to be adding some salt. I'm going to bring this up to a boil. Once it's at a boil, I'm going to toss in some diced potatoes. This is about 6 russet potatoes. I'm going to cover that and just wait until they get softened. After about 20 minutes, they are all done. They are nice and fork tender. I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to strain out the water, and I'm just going to add these potatoes to my bowl. Along with that, I'm going to add in some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some lemon pepper. You can add whatever seasonings that you like. And I'm going to mash this with my potato masher until it becomes mashed potatoes, nice and creamy. And now that these are all mashed, I'm going to add in some Hatch Green Chili. These chilies, I roasted them, I peeled them, and I just diced them up. You can buy these store bought, but I prefer the fresh Hatch Green chilies. Now I'm just going to mix this up real quick. You can omit the Hatch Green chili, but trust the process. It's going to taste so amazing. I'm also going to add in some cheese. This is Mexican style cheese right here. And also I'm going to add in some mozzarella. Mixing all this cheese into that potato and Hatch Green Chile. I'm going to mix it until it's well combined. Now this is ready. I'm going to get started on warming up the tortillas. I do like to use the Guerrero tortillas. These are honestly the best ones. And what I do is I get about 6 tortillas, wrap them up in a paper towel, and put it in the microwave for 1 minute. As soon as they come out of the microwave, I do like to separate them. If not, they do get stuck together. And now I'm just going to add my filling in here. I'm not adding as much, but you can add as much as you like. And I'm just going to continue with the rest of the tortillas. And once this is done, these are getting ready to go into the oil. I do have some oil heating up, and I'm going to just add the tacos on there. And I'm going to wait until they're brown from one side, flip it over, and then brown them on the other side. So basically until they are nice and crispy. And now that those are done, I'm going to be removing them and just placing them on my tray. And I'm just going to continue with the rest. And once I'm done, this is the final product. Oh my gosh, these are already looking so good. Honestly, I hadn't ever thought about adding Hatch Green Chili to these tacos, but it really brings out the flavor of these tacos de papa. And this is, oh wow, like this taco was so cheesy, super amazing. It's just super good. And this is the way I like to serve it, with some shredded lettuce. And of course, you can just leave the lettuce out, just have it like that. But this is the way I like to serve mine. And then with some salsa molcajete, Super delicious. This is just some salsa I got at the grocery store. And that is how I made these tacos de papa with some Hatch green chili and cheese. Save this recipe. You're going to want to make these. Enjoy.